Friends, it's Miss Courtney, and today I thought we could make a hot air balloon together. What you will need is a brown piece of paper cut into a square with two little lines going up on each side to make the straps attached to the balloon. And I used a paper plate for the balloon, and I'm going to keep the bumped up side of the paper plate facing up because that's where I'm going to put my decoration. Now, to decorate, you can use really anything. Colored pencils, markers, crayons, paint. I'm going to be using paint, but you can use whatever you'd like, and you can do whatever designs you'd like. I'm going to move this down so you can see. I'm going to try to make some little flowers, I think. So I'm going to use some yellow for the center of my flowers. I can put little yellow dots where I want to paint my flowers. Like that. Another paintbrush. I'm going to use some pink. I have a really nice bright pink paint. Now, I don't know how many of you have ever seen hot air balloons in person before, but I used to live in another state. I used to live in Florida when I was in high school, and I would stand outside waiting for school to start, and all these hot air balloons would just float up into the sky right above me as I was waiting outside. It was always so cool. I've never been on one, but I've always wanted to go on one. They look like they would be fun. Alright, I'm going to try different color for some of these flowers too, maybe some purple. I'm going to try to put as much color onto this as possible. I don't think I've ever seen a hot air balloon with flowers on it before, but that's okay. Because if I made a real hot air balloon, I would put flowers on it. Flowers are just so colorful and happy. When I'm done with my flowers, I think I'm going to do some maybe squiggly lines or straight lines, maybe polka dots. I don't really know. There we go. It's kind of tricky doing a bunch of small little flowers with paint, but they look really cute. I wonder what type of designs you guys will come up with for your hot air balloons. There we go. Bunch of cute little flowers. We're gonna use a bigger brush. Maybe some blue. Do some squiggly lines. On the top. There we go. Add in a bunch of color. I'll put some on the bottom. I like the lines, the squiggly lines. They look really cool because the paper plates have bumps along the sides, and you can see it in the paint. It's really cool. Oops, got one on the table. What else should I do? It needs some more. Maybe I can use some green. Do dots, different types of dots. all around. My paintbrush isn't round, so it doesn't look, it doesn't look exactly like dots, but that's okay. It would be really cool if I had some dot markers at home that I could use. Those would be super cool. Ooh, you could finger paint too. If you want perfect dots on your balloon, you could use your finger for it. But I don't think my paint's very good for finger painting, so I'm gonna stick with my paintbrushes. Maybe some orange. I feel like I never really use orange. It's a really pretty color. Look at how cool that looks with the bumps. That looks so awesome. It feels kind of cool too when you go over the bumps. Okay, I have a bunch of color on mine. Maybe I want to add a little bit more though. I kind of want to put more pink on. I didn't do a lot of pink. I only have 3 little pink flowers. Put some pink up at the top here. Fill this in so there's not tons of white left on my paper plate. This pink is so cool. It's so bright. And I know some of my friends love the color pink. One of our friends just had a birthday not that long ago and she had everything pink. So I wonder if she'll use some pink on her hot air balloon. Here we go. Some pink up at the top. Definitely gonna have to clean up my mess after this. This is a messy one. Let's see if I can put a little on the bottom here. There's not tons of space on the bottom, but I'm gonna try. There we go. Cool. And I wonder if I can fit some of the purple in between the lines here. Just because these were the colors I used for only a few little flowers, so I want more of those colors in other places on my hot air balloon plate. You could also cut out some paper and do a circle and use that for a hot air balloon too if you don't have paper plates or you don't have like a lot of paper plates but you want to make tons of different hot air balloons. I think it would look so cool if you made tons of hot air balloons and hung them up somewhere all together. You would just have this crazy hot air balloon scene. That'd be so awesome. I kind of want to do that now. You could come up with so many different fun ideas and designs for each hot air balloon. They could all be different. I've got most of my whites all filled in. This looks good. This is a lot of color. I think this looks cute. I'm going to leave my hot air balloon like this. It's a little wet, so I'm trying to be careful so I don't make a bigger mess. But there's my hot air balloon. It looks so happy with all the bright colors. I love it. It's very springy with the flowers on it. I hope you guys had fun and I'll see you soon. Bye!